Look, we're right there. Anyways, what's up, guys? It's me, Pico. Today we're gonna play. Oh no! Everything is loud. What the hell am I doing? So the place basic mod that I just found out, and this looks interesting, except here. And I remember watching it, but it was a pretty long time ago. So this mod is also old. This pretty old mod. But I should revive this. Oh no, Buddy accidentally locked every door in the school. Now you have to help him collect all keys in order to unlock the doors. Make sure you have fun helping save the school from the catastrophe. Okay then. Same says he did you play this? Okay. And here. Okay then, it's gonna be interesting. But I think what it does that every door is locked, you have to use a key to open it.
Oh, I didn't know you were going to be helping me today. So, here's just of it. I accidentally locked every door in the school without realizing it. And now, we have to go help me find the 7 magical keys. Once we get these keys, we can go outside the schoolhouse and use them to open every door in the school. But, how are you going to get around? Hold on. Oh, I have a bag of keys. There's only 2, so you can only use them on 2 doors. But since the keys are keys, you can use them. Seven magical keys split into a key and a magical essence which you carry around with you until the very end.
What?
Now, if you ever run out of keys, you can find Godspeed's girlfriend. I think her name is Swooper or some stupid name like that.
Stupid name.
No offense, Godspeed, but you can go up to her and you can give her a quarter and she will give you a key.
Okay then.
And you can use the key to open
Dude,
the
I
door.
don't care. Please shut up.
Now, Crystal kind of retired because he was tired of me.
Yeah, I'm not interested,
Now
man.
it's time for everybody's favorite
Go do the
subject.
drama
You're
show
doing
somewhere else.
fantastic.
Pepper, how are you this
job.
stupid?
That's good.
You just log every single key, every single door in the school. He's a terrible teacher.
Great.
Oh, we got that key. And
And
where's my shiny quarter, young man? I think already gave me boss was the key.
Problem 1. Fine. Good one. Good.
Okay, then I hear every door you open. Why did I mess up that bad? Okay, so every time we get a quarter, a notebook or a magical key, we get this. Yeah, I suppose. And also, he said principal is not here, so I can just roam freely. So that's pretty good. Grab this and then. But how the hell are you even supposed to get that many quarters? There's only, I don't know how much. Like 3, suppose 3 quarters. One random in the hallways, one for Baldi. Yeah, this and that quarter, that's good. Oh my. Bro, that was some kind of skill issue there. 7. No, 12. -7, yes. Okay, then this is going. It's going so far. I have to win this way because this emotions.
I see.
So, no, get you crusty ass out of here. Get that crusty ass out of here. Oh crap, he's there. No! I used it there.
I have lost you. I don't like that. I see you.
No. Baldi, you suck. Get the hell out of my face, idiot. Dude, stop shouting. Dude, I'm trying to help you. You got anger issues. Dude, for real has anger issues, and it's not your fault.
Play with someone.
Dude, get the hell.
I am
No,
coming.
go away, you crusty
Here I come.
robot. I can start roasting you.
I have lost you. I
Hey, let's
look
wait.
like that.
Okay then. So, what the hell you're supposed to do now? Got
I
the...
see you.
Dude,
Friend.
leave me alone. I don't want you here. I don't want you here. Get the hell out of my
I
pussy ass
have
face
lost
already.
you. I don't like that.
Sorry. But you gotta ruin my run. I can just feel it. Just gonna get this.
Let's play.
Playtime.
Ready? Go.
205 grams to get a quarter.
2,
Wait, what?
3,
She's lying. She's capping.
well, let's
No,
play.
she is not capping. She actually gave me a quarter.
Looks like it's sweeping
Hey,
time.
come here. Push. That guy helped. Thanks. No!
Play.
That actually helped me. So I need these two keys. So let me just. Baba boy. No! No! Get back! Dude, step back. Step back! I don't want you! Leave me alone, you robot! Leave me alone! Last time you had your stupid cloning incident with your enemies. Or something, I don't know, of your last... What? Okay, just shut up. 9, I think it's minus 20, right? Yes. 19, 18, and there we go. I hear every door you open. Okay, then, we gonna get... Yes, we got an apple.
I see you. Friend.
Baldi, show up quick. Baldi, yeah, come on, big dick. Ah, yes, ready. Ah, yes, suck. Wait, but I'm not really gonna get. Oh, I can use it for the dollar part things. If you understand what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. Cause yes, Pencil is not here, so I can just. Or do I actually get the key at the last exit? Yeah. Dude, I can run better than this. Even as a child. 0, and there we go. So these math questions are actually not that difficult. I'm kind of breezing through them. Just print. Should I do? Yes, look, we got a key. Oh, no, playtime. No, playtime. No. Dude, sis, no! If you play this, no. Stop. This is bad. Dude, leave me alone. I have full inventory.
Well, let's play.
You.
Let's play again.
At least you. If I get a key, then I'm just not gonna grab the scissors. 2, 3. That's a 19. 13. There we go. So they get another key, or am I just cooked?
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...
What's the line? Come here, Baldi. Come here. Bah. Wait, I got the key. Oh, I'm so stupid. I had that key, bruh. I could get that yet. Okay. I'm gonna be sorry, bro. I don't supposed to be. I'm actually gonna make this my first try. Ow! Bro! know how to be soldier. Who was running with taxi? Okay, bye.
Great job.
Okay, it's the same ending. Go shit your So that was it. That was oh no. Okay, shut up. Oh no, everything is locked. So this is a pretty. I just realized what's a TM. Oh shit! I don't hope I'm getting copyright strike here. So this is where this was a pretty amazing mod. I'm actually surprised I beat this in my first try. I have to say the truth. But hey, that was pretty fun and creative. That's also the boys Mystics mods that I kind of miss, where they had their own skins or cool ideas. Now we got some bullshit. But it was still a pretty fun mod. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We see us next time. Bye.